What's the meaning of catastrophe? Catastrophe. Catastrophe.
Catastrophe. Catastrophe. Catastrophe refers to a sudden and widespread disaster or event that causes severe damage, destruction, and often loss of life. It can be natural, such as earthquakes, hurricanes, or floods, or caused by human actions, such as wars, nuclear accidents, or industrial accidents. The results of a catastrophe can be devastating, including loss of homes, infrastructure, businesses, and communities. In addition to physical damage, the psychological impacts can be long-lasting for those affected, leading to trauma, grief, and post-traumatic stress disorder.